Friends, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, and don't forget to share the channel.
People, this is in Talegaon now, which is just behind the church, Santisma Wado, and you can see there's this hill cutting that is happening right over here. I am so shocked to see this, that is happening in this property here. This is crazy. This is crazy. You can just see for yourself. This whole area has been cut. Tree cutting has been happening over here. This is ridiculous. See, this is in Talegaon constituency. You all can see for yourself, guys. This is a hill which has been cut, and continuously trucks have been flowing through and fro regarding the same. I mean, where are we headed? Are we really destroying Mother Nature so badly? This is BJP power that is right now doing all these things. We do not know even if they have permissions for this. I'm just waiting to see. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous over here right now, and you can see for yourselves people right now over here. And I'm sure the person who owns this thing also is right on top over here. There is someone who's standing right on top over here. You can see someone who's standing right on top making calls. This is blatant use. This is misuse of power. You can see for yourself, guys, this is horrible. Horrible right now. See this construction work happening right here. And you can see how Mother Nature is destroyed every time. Every time. This is so bad. And this is happening in Talegaon constituency. You can see for yourself, guys, how this has been cut. Do they have permissions for this? Do they have permissions for this? You can just see. See this. See all the trees. Oh my God. Is this drama that is happening right now, people? Is this drama that is happening right now? Is this drama that is happening right now? Behind me, we are having this hill cutting being done. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous is not the word. Are we going to destroy Mother Nature every time like this? And this is all happening in the Montserrat's family. Now I want to see where is Jennifer Montserrat, whether she's going to come and stop this work. Is this permitted? Is this permitted? You can see over here. You can see over here. I'll show you the person who's standing right over there and being on the phone over there. This is ridiculous. People of Talegaon, see what is happening. People of Talegaon, see what is happening. See, blatant use of mispower. And I'm sure that is Estonio Almeida standing right up there. This property belongs to him. This property belongs to him. And you can see more people are coming forward. What the heck, yeah? What the heck is happening here? Guys, see for yourself. This is in Talegaon. This is in Talegaon that is happening. Shit. I'm so freaking shocked. This is the development that Amit Shah was talking about. Is this the development? Is this the development that Amit Shah was talking about? Get him into power? Ekite hai par re? Ekite hai par? I saw it now.
Now?
Yeah, I put it out on the group.
Today afternoon someone told us.
Yeah.
So,
And I put it in the Gram Sabha group also. This is all panchayat, no?
this is Panchayat?
Then?
Yeah, this is Panchayat.
This is panchayat level.
Panchayat, yeah.
And I'm sure Estonio Almeida is there on top. So how? Teka support ya teka chod. Chod kota to. Misuse. This is his property over here. This is his property. See here. Come, let's go catch him. It's Arya Teka. See this. See these people? 1 second. Estonio, are you there? Estonio Almeida. This is what you're doing to Mother Nature? See, this is his property here. See here. Where he's going to go? Let's see. See this. This is still here. You can't go up further than this. This destruction. This is destruction, people, in front of your eyes for this property over here. This is really where they are heading. Huh? See. He was on top over there, Estonio Almeida. See, this is for y'all to see over here. This is that same Estonio Almeida who's got cases on him, extortion cases. Plus, he has troubled women, harassed women. I also have put a case on him regarding online stalking case. This is this guy, Estonio Almeida, who's blatantly using and misusing the power over here. Because he knows Montserrat is in his side. He's the chamcha, one of the chamchas. And if you can see his social media pages, all the time he keeps attacking me with words. This is for y'all to see over here what is happening. Now see, Hamni in Taligaon, behind the church, hill cutting that is happening. Ridiculous. Now I want to see whether Jennifer Montserrat is going to come here and stop, because she is the Minister of Land and Revenue, to stop this work. Blatant, you see, so much of mud has been dumped. There was this lady who put a message out on the group saying that continuously trucks are going out over here, and this has all been happening now. You can see this, yeah, my God. See this. See this. See how it is just being cut. See how it's been cut. Why? Why so bad, yeah? This is so bad. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Yeah. बस माशी help करते का? दोनों हाथ इन दो. Hold it, both your hands and go down slowly. Don't wear shoes. Go barefoot. Go barefoot. So you can see, guys, what's happening over here. This is everyone who's coming here. Montserrat's blessing. Good. She will not know who's done this work. This is our MLA and Land and Revenue Minister. Without just getting down over here, guys, 1 second.
आम्ही जर सहज जर अशी जर पळयत जाल्यार हांगा येयत पळयत जाल्यार आमकां खरो शॉक बसलो आनी कितें म्हणपाचें तेंच कळना. म्हणजे तालिगांव आमचे खंय पावंक सोदता ते. तुम्ही थोडे दिसा एक 8 दिसा पयलीं पळयला करंजाले तो हॉटेला खातीर कशी ते.
So right now I'm going to call up the flying squad. I'm going to lodge a complaint on the same, because this is ridiculous that's happening. Land and Revenue belongs to her, and this is for you all to see also, guys. See this ridiculous work that is happening over here. Ridiculous work. See this. This is Mother Nature just been destroyed in front of our eyes, guys, in front of our eyes. And all those supporters of her, all the bucks that are there of BJP, congratulations. This is what y'all wanted, no? This is what y'all wanted, development, no? When your ministers, your people are there, this is what y'all want, no? Congratulations. Destroy Goa. Destroy BJP people, destroy Goa. And when y'all have goons like this, like the Montserrat family in your power, this is what will happen. Every land will get sold and everything will get destroyed. This is ridiculous. This is for all of you all to see what is happening with our land. This is, I'll show you again. Last, before I leave. This is Taligaon for you. Land of destruction that is happening in the name of the Montserrat family. This is ridiculous. Estonio Almeida, really, you have crossed these limits to the maximum now. See, this is his property. This is the main road, guys. If you'll ever come to Taligaon, this is the main road. See for yourself. This is the main road. This road leads to the church. This is what's happening here. See for yourself. See here. People of Goa and people of Taligaon, it's now or never. This family Raj that has been destroying our Goa and our Taligaon for a very long time now. Enough is enough now. This is ridiculous what they have done right now. Ridiculous. And Estonio Almeida is absconding right now. We came up over there and he refused to come down. He refused to come down. This is how it is. Blatant use of power over here that's happening. Hill cutting. You all didn't even spare that. Sheta purali to me. Dongor hal ani hata to me. Huh? Ridiculous. Ridiculous people. Now please share this to as many people as you all can, because this is not right what is happening over here behind this property. And this is the same Estonio Almeida who has been troubling women over here. Same thing. And behind this has been a full hill cutting. Wake up, people, wake up before every piece of land is eaten up. And this is done by our very own Goans. Not outsiders, very own Goans. Estonio Almeida is a Goan over here. He's the greedy person who wants money. He'll sell anyone that he can also. This is how he is. This is how he is. Estonio Almeida, going to make sure that you rot in hell. Seriously. You should not destroy Mother Nature, what you've done right now. Very, very bad.